something that Paramahansa Yogananda said when we develop willpower within ourselves. He made the point that each of us, we should develop our own will. Now, of course, when people hear that and when we think about that, we think, well, my will, that's my egoic will, I, identified with this body. But he said, yes, you should develop that. Develop the will to the highest level you possibly can, and we have to accept that if we're not free, there's going to be an egoic element to that, but nevertheless, it's important to develop your will. But then he said, you need to make that will dynamic, and then you need to attune yourself, that individual will, we need to attune that will to divine will, so that it's not our egoic will that's acting, but it's if we can act in God attunement. In other words, let's say, if we can act in joy, then we find that our will becomes attuned to God's will. And you could say that we then do God's will if we're in perfect attunement with God. Now, he made the interesting point. He said, if you're trying to assert your will, you're trying to do God's will, he says, if you do action that is non-dharmic with your very strong will, he said, you will find that in a subtle way the universe will not support you. And slowly your will be weakened. Whereas if you act with your will and you are in harmony with dharmic action, that action that takes you and takes others toward God, toward divine union, then you find your will is strengthened. And